Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing from a store I don't know if I've ever ordered from them before. It's called Shipwreck Beads. I might have, but I don't know. I follow them on Facebook, but I saw that they were having a 40% off sale, so I went over their site. I believe the sale is still going, so check it out if you can. There was a ton of really good stuff. So I bought these beads. I don't think I had a reason. I just saw 40% off and, you know, I kind of blacked out a little bit like I said I do. But there was a strand in here that I really wanted. So let's take a look. I'm going to try and match the items to what I see on my packing list. So the first thing I'm seeing, oh my gosh, it's so pretty, but it's packed in here, is a Southwest Inlay donut. So I think you can see it right there. It's 20 millimeter. Now this was one of the pricier things I got. Of course it was 40% off. It was $7.30. And this is like a splurge. He's not going to be used anytime soon, but it reminds me of Sedona because they sell a lot of jewelry that looks like this up there. And Shipwreck has a lot of stuff that looks like this. So this was one of the bigger donuts, and it's still small. It's like smaller than a quarter, but it's still really pretty. You can see some malachite in there, some red. I don't know what those are. And there's turquoise, and it's just really fun. Yeah, I'll be probably starting a collection of those just because I love Southwest stuff. But there's my first piece of my collection. The next thing I have is this Hamsa bead, and I don't remember how much it was, but it's so cool. I'm trying to find it on my packing slip. Peruvian ceramic Hamsa hand high fire 27 millimeter one piece. It was $2 and that was 40% off. And I mean, it's really cool like that, but you know, you can always paint it yourself too. I just thought it would be really neat on a necklace down the road. Let's see, what else do we have here? I have not looked into this box. I got it yesterday. I thought it was going to be something else when I started opening it, and I was like, oh, I want to do this on camera. So, ooh, of course I'm dropping some other stuff here, but I don't remember ordering these. Oh, okay. Much bigger than I thought some of these were going to be. Okay, so I bought a bunch of fire polish beads because they were, you know, ridiculously cheap. And you can always use those as spacers. Okay, so these are packaged a little weirdly, but I'm going to just kind of show you some. These are ranging between 80 cents a strand and $3 and I think 55 cents a strand. But sorry, this is the problem I'm having. They're tied together with this, and I don't have any scissors near me. Maybe I do. I do. Okay. So I'm just going to cut this open, and then we can kind of go through the colors I got. And I have another hank right next to me. But I really didn't go after colors that I normally would. I just was kind of looking at the prices like, oh, that's cheap. I'll just get that. Of course, the turquoises and teals were usually a little bit more expensive, so I have a ton of those and didn't really want any more. This one is, let me move these out of the way. This one is transparent pink, 6 millimeters, 50 pieces. Let's see if I can find, I think that one was about $1.35 minus, then take off the 40%. But I'll just give you the names so you can check them out on their website. Crystal OP Pink, 6 millimeter. Usually with the ones that were 6 millimeter, I tried to get the ones that were under $2 because I don't really use 6 millimeter too much. So I didn't want to get a whole bunch of really expensive beads that I probably wouldn't use. But I'll use these at some point. Dark pink, 6 millimeter, transparent dark pink. So let's see if there's a difference between these, because this one was just transparent pink. These are the same color. These are definitely the same color, at least from what I can see. So yeah, I don't know why they were listed as two different colors. This one is Emerald Matte, 6 millimeter. Thought that was cool. I don't have any like that, and it's such a really cool teal color. This one is transparent, light, medium. Oh, and this doesn't really, something green. Yeah, transparent, light, medium, emerald green. Just looks like teal to me, kind of a green teal. Oh, here's another one. It's very similar. Same thing. Did I get two of those? Oh, I must have put two in my these were $1.35, so I got two of them because they were so cheap. Okay, then we have Crystal Light Aqua, 6mm. That's really pretty, light blue. These were like 80 cents, so I got them. And that was before the 40% off. Very light amethyst in 6mm. I love fire polish beads. I've always loved fire polish beads. And then transparent orange, 6mm. Let's see, do I have? These were $2, but I don't have anything like that, so I thought it would be really fun. Next, we'll move on to there was a larger set that I got, and these were the more expensive ones because I don't have anything like this, and I thought, oh, if I'm going to get something like that, I'll get it while it's 40% off. These are 8mm, and they're light aqua. Very cool. Oh, and I left these out on the side. I'm sorry, I forgot to show you these. These are so cool. These are 6mm aqua tortoise. I love that. It's like that tortoise, but in the aqua that I love so much. So cool. Okay, and then I got these. These are hot pink. Neon matte 8mm. I'm trying to get the facets. You can't really see the facets because of how bright they are. There you go. You can kind of see them there. These are awesome. I just love them so much. I love hot pink. I really love hot pink. And then we have some 8mm yellow, opaque lemon yellow, 8mm. These are bright yellow. I don't have anything like that. And then some 20-piece 10mm light yellow, which is kind of the same color. They just called it a different color, but I love how big they are. I had to choose between this and orange. I really had to only choose one because these were the more expensive ones that weren't really on that much of a sale. These are Aqua 14mm. I think I actually have something that kind of looks like this, and I guess I wasn't paying attention to what they would look like once they came in, but they're kind of cool. They're fire polished aqua. I call that like cerulean blue, not aqua, but whatever. I'm not the one naming the beads, but I do have a whole drawer devoted to this color blue because I feel like it's really a common color blue when you're buying beads, is this hot cerulean blue color. Okay, next we got some donuts. Let's see. Fiber Optic donut yellow, 4 pieces, $2.40. I think that's what it came to with the 4 pieces. That's before the discount. I think that just came in a 4-piece. I don't know. Yeah, because it says ordered 1, came in a 4-piece. Okay, those are really cool. I have a really awesome thing that I bought with birthday money that's coming, should be here today, that these will go really well with. But you know, I'm loving yellow, and I love yellow cat's eye. I don't know why, I just love cat's eye so much. I used to hate cat's eye, but now I really like it. So I'm a little disappointed because I don't think, I looked at this listing several times trying to decide or decipher how much you would get, and it said it was a strand, and now I'm only getting 2 donuts. It did not say 2 pieces because I looked several times, and it might be different now, but when I ordered it didn't say 2 pieces. But these are cool. These are 30mm fiber optic white donuts, so cat's eye white donuts. $1.65 for 2 of these. It was supposed to be a strand for sure. It said like 16 inches or something like that. So I'm a little frustrated about that, but you live and learn. Next are these check beads. So check 6-point star with dimples, gray vitriol, 15 millimeter. These were $1.55. Yeah, $1.55. So let's open those up and see. These are so cool. I love vitriol, and I love that you can get green to purple. These looked a little different online. Again, a little different, but honestly, I like them. I love that they're not top drilled or anything. Those are really cool. Those are so neat. Next we have these flowers. Let's see. 9 millimeter, 25 pieces, pressed beads loose. Check glass. They're golden copper and $2.15. I have some fire polish beads that look like this, like with this copper, half copper, and they're just so pretty. Look at like how pretty those are. They're rose gold. Really nice. Love those. I love them. And then, oh, sorry, I'm not putting anything away. This is going to be a nightmare later. Next, I got these India all mixed up square dotted Lampwork beads. I just thought they were really cute little spacers that I could use in some project or something like that, and like a couple of bracelets or a necklace. Just a bunch of different colors, and I knew that was going to happen. I thought those were really cute. Let's see. Those were a 50-gram pack for $2.80 before the discount. Oh my goodness, there's still more in here. Ooh. I got 2 of these, one in antique brass and one in antique silver. They were $1.80 for the silver and $2.05 for the antique brass. They're 18 millimeter. The shield with bear 3-hole antique brass. It's a cute little pendant, the cute little charm. It's a cute little Zuni bear. And then we have it in silver too. So cute. I love that. Very cute. Okay, and then I have this wonderful pendant. This was pretty good price. It's 67 millimeter, $2.90 before the discount. So amazing. Love it. It's like 2 suns. And so we have the spiral, then we have this inner sun. If you can see the zigzag going around here, and then we have the sun with the rays out here. Love it. I love it. It's very cool. You can use this. Actually, I can use this to texture polymer clay too. Very neat. And then second to last, I got Sorted Stone Sun Face Pendant, 4-piece, 44 millimeter. You know what? When I bought this, I thought it was just one. But there's 4 in here. That's awesome. So it's $2.25 for 4 of these, which I thought I was paying $2.25 for one pendant. I am pleasantly pleased with that one. Pleasantly surprised, and it kind of takes away the sting on the donuts that I had. Let's see. Oh, these are all different. Okay, so the stone pendant I thought I was going to get was looking more like this, just the dark. But looks like we have one that's similar but black and white, one a little bit lighter in grays, and then one that has some green in it, some gray and green in it. These are great. These are fantastic, and I'm definitely going to make a mold out of one of them. That is so awesome. That makes me so happy. Make 4 pieces instead of 1. Okay, and then last but certainly not least, this is what kind of made me put my order in. Was this strand, 39 pieces. Okay, guys, these are really expensive, and I can't find them any. The only other place I saw them was on Etsy, and they were the same price. So I don't know why they're in separate bags like this. So they're turquoise magnesite rhinestone, 10 millimeter. So this one's 12 pieces. I'll open them in a second, but look how stinking gorgeous those are. 12 pieces, so 24, 36, 39. Okay, so I'll just open this little bag. I thought it would come on a strand, but they sold these by the, I think the piece, or maybe the three piece set. Yeah, that has to be. Or by the 39 pieces. And look how beautiful they are. My friend Julie was wearing, not these, but a bracelet she made using beads that were similar, made out of onyx and some with pearls. And I was like staring at it the whole time she was over the other day. So I kind of went online and was looking for those, and they were expensive. And I was like, okay, maybe they'll go on my list. And then I saw these at Shipwreck, and they were 40% off, so I had to get them. They're so beautiful. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Yesterday was my birthday, so it was nice to get this on a Sunday through FedEx. Check out Shipwreck. They're still having their 40% off sale, I'm pretty sure. Let me know what your favorite item was, and stay tuned for Goldie. Please like and subscribe. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.